Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees F. Heat 3 inches of canola oil in a heavy pot to 375 degrees F. Add half the chicken wing parts to the oil and fry them until they're golden brown and fully cooked, 5 to 7 minutes. Serve with blue cheese dip, celery sticks and your favorite cold, fizzy beverage.
Take our lead.
It turns out that the restaurant does fry their wings. The allergen guide on their website confirms that both the traditional bone-in and boneless wings are fried in beef shortening, also known as tallow.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.